Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm making a pasta salad. I'm making a crab pasta salad. That's right, crab. I just love a good hearty pasta salad to keep in my refrigerator. They just make the perfect lunch. Take to a cookout, take to the pool, whatever you're doing this summer, a pasta salad is the perfect dish. Now, I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just gonna go over those with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out later. But we've got to get started because it's that time to get cooking. And I am using imitation crab for this. Now, I know that not everybody likes to use imitation crab, and I understand that. If you want to use fresh crab and you live near a wonderful seafood market, then by all means get yourself some fresh crab. I like imitation crab. I find it easy to work with, so that's what I'll be using. So this is a 1.5 pound package of the imitation crab meat. I couldn't find any smaller packages at my grocery store, so I just went with this, but you could use just a 1 pound package of the imitation crab. I am going to cut it into smaller bite-sized pieces. So the pasta that I'm using is the medium-sized pasta shells, and I just cooked it, drained it, put it in an ice bath to cool it down quickly, and it was 1 pound. Now I'm going to add my crab meat, and I have 1 red bell pepper chopped and 2 stalks of celery chopped, and 3 green onions sliced. All right, so now I'm going to make the dressing. All right, so I have a 16-ounce jar of Duke's mayonnaise, and I will probably use this entire jar. All right, then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of a spicy brown mustard. I have about 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. And then I'm going to add some dried dill, maybe about a teaspoon or so. And I'm also going to add some Old Bay seasoning. It's about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to give a good pinch of salt and black pepper. And then just stir it all together. So at this point, if you want to give a little taste, just to make sure you don't need to add any more seasonings. All right, tastes good to me. I'm just going to pour it over all my pasta and my crab. And I'm just going to give it a good mix. All right, well, that is all there is to it, but I wanted to give you a quick tip. If you are going to keep this in your refrigerator and say serve it the next day, then you might want to make up a second batch of dressing. I usually do that. I make extra, and that way right before I serve it, I add some more dressing because that pasta will absorb that mayonnaise and it could make it a little dry. But this is so, so delicious. Y'all have got to come check this out. All right, now it is my favorite time. It is time to eat. Oh yeah. And you could also add some of the little salad shrimps to this and it would be delicious. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and share my videos with your friends. Help me grow this channel. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.